Welcome to our PTE series, where we will break down each of the tasks in the PTE test and show you how to improve your score. My name is Maher, I'm an English teacher, and I've helped hundreds of students achieve their goals for university admission, visa applications, and permanent residency. Today, we are covering Read Aloud, which is the most frustrating task for all PTE test takers. In this video, I will show you how it is scored, the biggest mistakes students make, and the strategies that we teach in our classroom here to get the best score possible. Let's get started. In this task, a text will appear on the screen. You have 35 seconds to prepare, and then you have to read it out loud within 40 seconds. It mainly evaluates three things: content, did you speak the words that are on the screen? Pronunciation, did you say them clearly enough for the computer to understand you? And fluency. Fluency is more about smooth and unbroken speaking. It's important to note here that the advice I'm about to give you is general. It's supposed to work for as many people as possible. But please note that each student is different. When you are in our class, we teach you how to regulate the speed and the pronunciation so you can find the perfect pace for yourself to get the best mark. This is where having a teacher or doing a course with a teacher or a professional is really important. But if you're working on your own, try to go a little bit faster or a little bit slower. Make sure your pronunciation is as clear as possible for that speed. In this video, I will try my best to show you what we would teach our students, but I'm speaking generally. Please remember. Stay with me. I'm about to show you how I would record a read aloud. But if you are studying by yourself, you need to use some kind of platform. I don't want to advertise any particular platform, but we use a particular one for our students and it works fine with us. Choose your platform and make sure that you are practicing with an AI that gives you instant feedback. Otherwise, how can you improve? As I mentioned earlier, Read Aloud is one of the hardest tasks in the speaking section. So don't panic if your score is low. This used to be a really important task in the past, but since last year in August, it doesn't have so many points anymore and it's less important. So here's my read aloud strategy. Number one, use the preparation time to read through the text loudly. This gives you a chance to hear any mistakes or find out if you have some pronunciation problems. Identify the difficult words and decide which words you might want to skip if they are too hard for you to say. Number two, do not pause at commas and full stop. Normally, if you're reading properly, you would pause at a comma and definitely at a full stop. But Read Aloud, or the AI for PTE, does not like this. It wants you to show that you can keep speaking smoothly without pausing. So just go straight through them. Number three, it goes without saying, if the AI hates pauses, you don't want to be umming and ahhing. None of that. Just power through. Number four, remember that the goal is not to read perfectly. What you want is to read as smoothly as possible with as good a pronunciation as you can achieve, but at speed. Number five, increase your speed every single time until you reach a limit. I call it tripping over yourself. If you start finding it difficult to say the next word, it means you're going too fast. Start slowing down, work backwards, because you've reached your speed limit. Number six, make sure that you're finishing at around 30 or 35 seconds. Don't wait till the 40 seconds is up. And finally, remember that you don't need a perfect score in Read Aloud. It used to be an important task. It's not important anymore. You can recover those points in some of the other tasks that I will talk about in the next video. In this first example, I'm going to show you how not to do it. This, I will make proper pauses at the commas and the full stops. What you should be doing in this time is reading through the words and finding anything that you might have trouble with. For example, this word, foliage, scenic drives, Ontario, Quebec. When the time runs down to 0, you will hear a beep and then you start recording. The best time to visit Canada is during fall months, when mild temperatures and vibrant fall foliage make scenic drives, hiking, and outdoor exploration especially enjoyable. Travel guides often highlight autumn, especially from late September through October, as a peak season for color changes in Ontario, Quebec, and other regions of the country. As you can see, here are the 3 criteria that the AI is looking for: content, pronunciation, and fluency. We talked about that earlier. Because I did so many pauses, you can see them here with these black strokes, it gave me a very low score for fluency, even though it said I said all the words and my pronunciation is quite good. To improve on this, what I need to do is just go through the full stops and the commas so I can remove as many of these as possible. Okay, this time I will do the same thing, but I will go right through the full stops and the commas so you can see my fluency score should increase. The best time to visit Canada is during fall months, when mild temperatures and vibrant fall foliage make scenic drives, hiking, and outdoor exploration especially enjoyable. Travel guides often highlight autumn, especially from late September through October, as a peak season for color changes in Ontario, Quebec, and other regions of the country. Can you hear the difference? What you should have noticed is that I don't have as many pauses. Actually, these times I was breathing, so I had to breathe, and you will too. But quickly, I was able to improve my score just by improving the fluency. My pronunciation even went up because the AI thinks if I speak this fast, then my pronunciation must be quite good. The content hasn't changed. I pronounced all the words that I saw in front of me. Remember, there is no quick way to get a great score in Read Aloud, so keep adjusting until you achieve the score that you want. If you found this video useful, subscribe so you can watch the rest of our series on PTE. If you need any help with your target score, get in contact with us for a free level check. Stop guessing and prepare properly. I'll see you in the next video.